The purpose of Section 4 is to give the board evidence supporting your valuation claim. Please tell the board about your property, then provide at least 3 comparables. You may provide more. Please use separate sheets if you do. But please use the 3 properties that are most similar to yours on this page. If you are submitting an appraisal report and do not wish to submit any additional comparables, you may leave this section blank and skip to Section 5. Begin by entering your parcel number and address. This should be the same information as shown in Section 1. Next, enter the size of your lot or your tract of land. If you do not know this information, you can usually find this on your township assessor's website. Please enter your house style or model name, such as a ranch or a 2-story, or the model name if you know it, and the exterior construction, such as brick, aluminum, vinyl, or any combination thereof here. Next, please write the age of your home. If you don't know the age, you may put NA for not available, or check your township assessor's records. Next, note the number of bathrooms that are above grade level in your home. Below grade baths do count, but they're part of the basement finish. So therefore, you would include all bathrooms on the main floors of the home, but not any in lower levels or basement levels. Next, please include the living area square footage of your home. This is the size of the above grade area of your home. Living area is measured on the outside of your house, but does not include the garage, the basement, or any below grade level area. Those areas are included elsewhere. You can obtain your living area by outside measurements, by a plat of survey, or you can find it on your township assessor's website. Next, please include the square footage of your basement area and the square footage of the finished area. This will include lower levels of split-level homes and raised ranch dwellings. Next, note the number of bedrooms that are above grade level in your home. Remember, below grade bedrooms are part of the basement finish, and we don't want to count them twice. Afterwards, write the number of built-in fireplaces here. Please do not include any freestanding, removable fireplaces. Here, note the garage capacity, if it's a house, or the number of reserved parking spaces, if this is a condominium using a surface lot. Finally, note any patios, decks, in-ground pools, or other special features here. Now that you've entered all the information about your property, you're going to select comparable properties based on the reasons that you checked in Section 3 of this form. If you check box 1, that's overvaluation, or comparing your property's equalized assessed valuation to sales, to actual transactions in the marketplace, you will need to show at least 3 sales from 2013, 2014, and or 2015 to make the best evidence. In selecting sales, remember that more similar is better than less similar. Remember that nearby is better than far away. Any sale can be used in an assessment complaint, but sales that are nearby and more similar will be more persuasive to the Board of Review than sales that are farther away and less similar. Comparable sales data sources include the Board of Review's sales search tool, township assessor websites, and commercial sites such as those operated by local newspapers. Local real estate agents and brokers might also be helpful. You might also select comparables based on equity, the reason shown in box number 2. And if you check equity, you will need to show the 2017 equalized assessed valuation of at least 3 properties that are similar to your home. Sources for assessment data include the Board of Review's Sales Search tool and Township Assessor websites. If you checked box 1 in section 3, over valuation, you want to include the sale prices here. Remember to use sales from 2014, 2015, and or 2016. And if you purchased your property after January 1st, 2014, please include it under the subject column. If you checked box 2 in section 3, that is equity, include the equalized assessed values here. Remember to use the 2017 equalized assessed valuations. You can find them on the County Assessment Office website. You'll want to write any additional comments about the comparables used here. You can use additional sheets if necessary. Make sure that anything you want the board to know about these properties and how they compare to your property should be included with your submission. For further questions, call the Board of Review office or visit CaneCountyAssessments.org.